Hey everybody, it's me Liv. So today I'm going to be joining in making some cards for the Jolie kit. This is actually the card kit if you haven't seen it. And this line of the Dusty Rose is pretty new to me. I haven't seen this before. And I love the fact that you also get the ephemera as well as a set of flowers. And I also have some chipboard pieces that are custom made by Jolie that I'm going to be using in this card kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to just before we get started to show you how beautiful these papers are because it's the first time I am seeing them. Oh, wow. I really love, I'm personally someone who loves double-sided paper. It just helps me with my creativity. So I always like to see what it is. And it looks like this pack comes with usually anywhere from 2 to 3 in each set. So this is pretty a good amount for anyone who's looking. Love all the beautiful flowers that it has some sentiments. You can see it's got some solid backgrounds as well as some beautiful backgrounds that are more in a like a vintagey type of style. So if this is your style that you personally like to use, definitely go by and check it out. So I am going to then also show you the ephemera before I get started. So these are all the pieces that come in the kit. So if you wanted to see, so you definitely are getting a fantastic amount of product here in your particular kit set if you decide to buy it. But let's get started and I'll show you how I am making my cards. Now, I'm actually not too much of a shabby chic card maker, as you can probably tell if you watch my channel a little. But I figured let's give this a shot. Get it a tad bit like, grungy that I like to do, but still keep it in a shabby chic inspired collection. So first up, I'm going to go ahead and edge all these corners. I'm just going to use my scissors. There are a lot of steps in here, so I'm not going to walk you through all of them. I think most of it is pretty self-explanatory if you do a lot of card making. So I'm going to cue the music, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much. here are my final set of cards. I'm going to bring them up a little bit so you can see. I absolutely love this slightly grunge, distressed vintage look these guys came out. Definitely something I can envision making again sometime soon. I hope you guys learned a couple of tricks from there, and definitely go check out the July Trust Jolie card kit if this is something you're interested. Thanks for watching.